Hi guys, this is Shah here, the Tech Blogger, and this video is also on GCSE Further Maths, GCSE Further Maths, and this video is circle theorems. And this does not only apply to further maths, but it also applies to normal maths, grade 9 to 1, and the older GCSE maths. So be sure to watch this video and share it. Alright, so firstly, I'm sorry for it being extremely pixelized. Let me, if I zoom out. Okay. Alright, so if we begin, okay, so circle theorems. I'm going to explain you some of the basic ones, the ones that are easy to understand. So one circle theorem we have is, okay, just imagine, oh my god. Alright, sorry about that. Horrible circle. So I'll just use this tool. Okay, okay, we have a circle here, and let's say we want to find an angle that's something like this. Okay, imagine this is the center, this point is the center, and this is touching the circumference. Let's say you want to find this angle and you've been given this angle. Well, one theorem is that this angle is half of this angle. So angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference. So imagine this is x, then the angle at the center is 2x. Straightforward, isn't it? See, center 2x and circumference x. Circumference x, center 2x. Remember that. Just try and get that in your head. And if you do, try and remember this diagram. And yeah. Alright, let's do another theorem now. Okay, let me draw another circle. Alright, okay. Let's see, what's another theorem? Well, another theorem, a simple one, is actually just a line that's passing through a tangent. It's passing through the circumference like this, and it's passing through one, and then there's a line going through it like this. And this is a 90-degree angle. It's fairly noticeable. So this is called the tangent circle theorem. And what you meant to say is angles that are touching this, a line that touches the circumference of the circle and an interconnecting line from its a perpendicular line connecting to the center forms a 90-degree angle. I know it sounds a bit complicated. Let me re-say it, but in a simpler way. So a line touching the tangent, so we have a line here touching the tangent, and a line going through it to the center forms a 90-degree angle. And as you can see, there's a 90-degree angle, and this is another circle theorem. And again, try and memorize this diagram, makes it easier for you. So yeah, okay, let's do another one. This one's slightly harder and it's hard to notice in the exams, but you know, try your best. So let's say you have a triangle like this. Okay, we have a triangle like this, and you have a line passing through like this. All right. And this theorem this is known as the alternate segment theorem. Sorry, yes, alternate segment theorem, where this is x and this is also x. So these two are the same, and this is y, and this is also y. So these two are the same, these two, okay, and these two are the same, okay. So it's called the alternate segment theorem, and if you just write alternate segment theorem in the exam, you'll get the marks for it. This is one of the angles which is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is common. And yeah, it's really straightforward, but it's one of the more complicated ones, and so try and memorize it. Okay, and then let's draw another one. Alright, so this is one of the easier ones. So this is known as the same segment theorem, and it's drawn something like this, like that, and you have a connecting line like that. So you have basically two triangles, yeah. And basically this angle and this angle are equal, x, x, and y, y. These two are equal, these two are equal, and these two are equal because they're vertically opposite, as you all know, common sense. Vertically opposite angles are equal, these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal, and these two angles are equal. Sometimes they can ask you to prove that two angles are similar, so you can prove it through this method if a diagram like this comes up. And something like this did come up in the GCSE Maths 2017 paper, the new one, 91. This did come up, and it was angle, because all the angles were the same. you meant to say vertically opposite, so it's the same. Same segment theorem, or you can say that this is, since these two are the same, this and this are the same, this and this are the same, this means automatically 180 minus these two will equal the same on both sides. That's another way you can say it, but yeah. So angle is correct, and you'll get full marks for it. It's out of 3 probably, most probably. And thank you for watching, guys. Hope you understood, and again, try and memorize these formulas. If not, go rewind and try and understand it better. If not, just comment it down. And thank you for watching, guys. Enjoy.